Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the depreciation. Continue the problem. Now last class I did mention the 4 problems. Now today we will start the 5th problem. On 1st July 2011, Niharika and Co purchased a printing machine for rupees 2,16,000 and rupees spent 24,000 on its installation. This is purchase price. This installation charges. Total 2,16,000 plus 24,000. Original cost of the asset 2,40,000. It was estimated useful life of the printing machine 12 years. Now 12 years. Scrap value minus scrap value 24,000. 2,40,000 minus 24,000 is equal to 2,16,000 by 12. Clear? Here 12 1 ja, 12 8 ja, 18,000. Annual depreciation of the amount 18,000. The books are closed on December every year. Now starting 1st July, the middle of the month, purchasing a machine. Depreciation calculated from the date of purchasing to up to date of ending. Now July to December, July, August, September, October, November, December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First year, 6 months using the machine. First months only using the 6 months. Next 2012 full year. 2013 full year. Here prepare a printing machine account. Printing machine account and depreciation account. Printing machine account and depreciation account for the first 3 years. Okay, let's start the solution. First find out the annual depreciation. Solution. Original cost of the printing machine. Original cost of the printing machine is equal to 2,60,000 plus 24. 2,16,000 plus 24, 2,40,000. Clear? Next, estimated useful life of the machine. Estimated useful life of the printing machine rupees 24,000. Okay, next final one. Estimated useful life of the machine. Life of the machine 12 years. And next, estimated scrap value. Estimated scrap value of rupees. Scrap value of the machine rupees 24,000. Now, annual depreciation formula. Annual depreciation is equal to original cost of the asset. Original cost of the asset. Asset is nothing but machine, printing machine. Original cost of the printing machine minus estimated scrap value. Estimated scrap value or a residual value by estimated useful life of the printing machine. Okay. First, original cost of the asset printing machine 2,16,000 plus 24,000. Total original cost of the machine 2,40,000 minus estimated scrap value 24,000 by 12 years is equal to 2,40,000 minus 24,000, 2,16,000 by 12. 12 1 ja, 12 8 ja is equal to 18,000. 18,000 is a annual amount of depreciation. Annual amount of depreciation. Okay, this is the annual amount of depreciation. And next, prepare mission account, printing mission account. Printing mission account. Similar to the ledger format, date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Another format, date, particulars, amount rupees, date, particulars, amount rupees. Debit side, date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Amount rupees. Okay. First July 2010, Niharika and Co. purchased a printing machine. Now journal entry, printing machine account data to bank account 2011 July 1st to bank account 2,16,000 plus 24 installation charges. Total original cost of the machine 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Now at the end of the accounting period, every year depreciation chargeable. Now entry depreciation account data to printing and machinery account. Now annual depreciation 18,000. Now July to December first year only 6 months. Only 6 months. Now 1 year depreciation 18,000 of 9,000 6 months. Next 3,000 3 months. Now July to December only 6 months. First year only chargeable and only decreasable of the machine 9,000. here at end of the ending date 31st December every year 2011 December 31st by depreciation account 9,000 here total 18,000 into 6 by 12 9,000. Now journal entry depreciation account data to printing and machinery account. Both side 2,40,000 minus 9,000. 2,40,000 minus 9,000. 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2. 2,31,000. At the same date, 2,31,000 by balance carried on. Balance carried on. Now both sides equally 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Okay, complete the first year. Now second year, machinery using full year. Now full year depreciation 18,000. Now carry down. Next month brought down. Next year 2012 January 1st to balance brought down. To balance brought down 2,31,000. Next every year ending December 2012 December 31st. Now January to December full year. Full 1 year depreciation 18,000 by depreciation account 18,000. Now remaining balance same date by balance carried on 2,31,000 minus 18,000 2,13,000. 2,13,000. Now both sides 2,31,000. 2,31,000. Okay. This is the second year. Clear? Now preparing the mission account 3 years. Next third year carry down next brought down 2013 January 1st to balance brought down 2,13,000. Next third year full using January to December. Next full year 18,000. 2013 December 31st by depreciation account 18,000. Remaining balance same date by balance carried on 2,13,000 minus 18,000. 13 minus 8 591. Remaining balance 1,95,000. Now both sides 2,13,000. 2,13,000. Okay. Now this is the printing machine account. First year, second year, third year. First year 9,000 depreciation, second year 18,000, third year 18,000, and last fourth year balance of machine carried out to fourth year brought down 2014 January 1st to balance brought down 1,95,000. That's it. Printing machine account. Clear? Now once again repeated the entries. Printing machine account data to bank account 2,40,000. Next first year depreciation. Depreciation account data to printing and machinery account 9,000. Next remaining balance carried down. Next same balance forwarding to the next year brought down. Next second year depreciation chargeable, same carried down to brought down. Third year depreciation calculating, next carried down, and finally brought down. After 3 years the mission value present 1,95,000. Okay. Next prepare depreciation account. Depreciation account, same format, date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Okay. Depreciation account. Depreciation account. First year 6 months depreciation 9,000. Second year depreciation 18,000. Third year depreciation 18,000. Now first depreciation entry, depreciation account data to printing machine account at the ending date 2011 December 31st. Depreciation account data to printing machine account 9,000. Clear? Depreciation account data to printing and machine account. At the end of the accounting period, depreciation transferred to the profit and loss account. Same date 2011 December 31st by profit and loss account. Profit and loss account 9,000. Clear? First depreciation chargeable entry, depreciation account data to printing and machinery account. Next the value of depreciation transferred to the profit and loss account at the end of the accounting period. Entry profit and loss account data to depreciation account. Now both sides equal 9,000. No carry down, no brought down. Clear? First year. Next second year 18,000. Same entry. Depreciation ending date 2012 December 31st. Depreciation account data to second year to printing and machinery account. Second year 18,000. Same date at the end of the accounting period transferred to the profit and loss account 2012 December 31st by profit and loss account 18,000. Now same both side 18,000. 18,000. Okay. Next, third year, same. Third year again 18,000. Date 2013 December 31st to printing and mission account 18,000. At the end of the accounting period, transferred to the profit and loss account 2013 December 31st by profit and loss account 18,000. Okay, now both sides 18,000. 18,000. Okay, that's it. Depreciation account. Clear? No change. Now prepare the depreciation account. Always debit side machinery, always credit side profit and loss account. Now entry depreciation account they have to profit and machinery account. Next transfer entry profit and loss account they have to depreciation account. Okay, that's it.